Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the very latest checklists plugin via RedmineUP, and it is going to be installed on Redmine 7 stable. So this is the very latest Redmine version until the current moment. We are currently into the middle of 2026, and this is going to happen on Ubuntu Linux 26.04. This means that it was released on April this year, 2026, and it is a long-term support version, so it is going to be used a lot of years. I think it was 4 or 5 or maybe more. I don't remember. Okay, so we continue further with the installation. I have already downloaded the checklists file in my downloads folder. So I need to open the terminal now and navigate to this folder. So navigate to this folder. It is, in my case, this way. So we list to double check and see that the checklist is there. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to copy the file into the Redmine's folder. So it is going to be done via the command sudo copy the file and then insert the path of Redmine. So in my case, it is located here. However, it is up to you in which directory you will download and install your Redmine. Currently, I just installed it here, but it is in my case. I mean that your path and directory could be different than this. You should check before that. Okay, so we paste now. I put my sudo password, and as long as there are no error messages or something like this, it seems the command is successfully executed. So we could just check this by going to this directory. So we change the directory to this and list the files here. So we see we got the checklist zip file here. So we have already installed some plugins, and this is the zip file that we have just copied. All right. And if we go to the files directory, I mean the files software that is graphically showing you the things, then we could go to this path and just a second. Okay, Redmine, and it is plugins. So we see that it is successfully copied here. All right, we have the zip file already here. So now we return back to our terminal, and now we need to unzip the file. Okay, it is going to be done via the command sudo unzip and then the name of the zip file. So we click enter, and this rows mean here that it is successfully unzipped. We could double check with listing the files. Right, we see the Redmine checklist folder. This is unzipped from here, and if we go back to the files here, we see that it is successfully unzipped indeed. Good. So we are half on our way to install the plugin. So the next thing is that we are going to execute 2 more commands, and it is very important that they should be executed in the Redmine core folder and not in the plugins folder. So we need to move one directory back with the change directory and 2 points. So this is moving us into the Redmine core directory. Okay, this is very, very important. So now we are going to, sorry about that, we are going to install the needed gems for the checklists to see, yeah, because they are needed for it to run. So it is done via the command sudo sudo bundle install. So we see that we have successfully installed these gems, and everything is fine with this command. Okay, so the next step is to execute the migration, so the database migration, and it is done via the command sudo bundle exec rake Redmine plugins, and now it is name of the plugin, which is Redmine checklists. And by the way, just to say that this name is actually the name of the folder itself, so it is easy. And also I would like to let you know that probably you have found this video from our article on our site redmineup.com. So there the commands are written in the article itself, so it is better to just copy paste them. I mean, in case to yeah, do not do some mistakes. But of course, if you wish, you could do it in my way. Just type the commands. All right, so the last thing is Rails and production. This means that the Redmine production will be used. Okay, so the command seems fine, so let's execute it. Good, so we see that these are the migrated tables of checklists and everything seems to be fine by now. And the very last step that we need to do is to just restart our Redmine. In your case, it could be restarted another way. For example, if you're using a virtual machine, you could switch it off and then switch it on. And if you're, yeah, you could, if you have started in another way, in another server, then you could do it via touch temporary restart.txt. But in my way, I run the Redmine into the terminal. So I just started it in this way, and it is running now via terminal. So I just close the terminal, and in this way, my Redmine is now closed. It is not working. So I start my Redmine again via the same command. So this is my way of restarting Redmine. Okay, so I just wait to start. See booting Puma. Okay, it has now started again. So I now return back to our Redmine and refresh the page and see that the checklist is already here. So we got the checklist installed. And yeah, now you could do some configurations of checklists if you wish. You have go to plugins and then checklists and then configure and so on. Yeah, there are many other articles and videos in our site that are about explanation of checklists, activating features and so on. If you wish, you could check it. And of course, thank you very much for watching the current video. I hope it was good and helpful for you. And if you like it, you could check other videos on our site and on YouTube. You could subscribe to our channel on YouTube if you wish. If you have some problems with the installation or some features or anything else, you just want to say hi to our team, then please don't hesitate to contact us at support@redmineup.com. Thanks again for the patience for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye bye.